Rice milling in Nigeria has become a significant agro-processing sector, employing thousands of traders, millers, and parboilers as demand for rice has grown over the years. KOKO TV takes a closer look into the world of rice millers, how they work, what it entails, and some of their challenges. Matthew Egunjobi, a rice miller in Ekiti State, has milled rice for more than 2 decades, and he has revealed that it is a lucrative profession that not just aids the process of rice production, but also the economy. During the Second Republic, there was some bit of cash to throw around because crude oil was doing its duty well, bringing in the dollars. But the decline in the availability of food in the country called for attention. The government came up with an answer as they decided to import rice from all corners of the globe. Nigeria brought into the country rice from every conceivable part of the planet. Uncle Ben's rice from America was one of these, and it made rice producers in other countries rich and rice producers in Nigeria poor from non-patronage. The period was said to have been named the Rice Armada. Matthew was one of the rice millers who were alive to witness and experience that time, and he reiterates how it affected sales of rice in the country.
Alufane wa nbe papa ka ba ti rero ke ba ra gbela alufane yen jade dáadáa ó wà lọ́wọ́ customer ìgbà tá àwọn ibo te wá ke ti sí bí okubes ilé ẹ̀rọ akún lọ èrò àwọn tapa àwọn Ìbàdàn wọ́n wá ra rice wọ́n sùn síbí wọ́n gbé 911 wọ́n wá ra rice níbi láti níbi ọgbọ̀n ṣe táìmù ọgbọ́n ẹ̀rùn gbọ̀ tí ọkú bẹ́ẹ̀ sí dé ìrẹsì kẹ́ẹ̀ tó tàbẹ́ tàtijọ́ kẹ́ẹ̀ tó ṣèrò.
The rice miller further spoke about the disadvantage this act brought, which they are still facing to date.
Àǹfààní kẹ́ẹ̀sì ni pé ìṣirò rẹ ọjà rírà bí ti tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́ torí wá ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ níbẹ̀ ẹ̀ tó wá sí ráìsì lúlẹ̀ rọ ráìsì ọdún ráìsì múrìnlá máa retí.
Planting rice is different from milling rice as both processes involve a rice farmer and a rice miller. So a miller needs a farmer as much as a farmer needs a miller.
Àwọn tó ń gbìn lóko wá bí àwọn tó ń gbìn wọ́n á bọ́ wọ́n á kó wá sílé ẹ̀rọ àtúbà grandi bá lọ.
The process of milling rice is a very delicate one as it requires skill and experience so as not to damage the rice being milled. Although it has been revealed that the milling machine can't spoil the rice. If the rice falls, it is definitely from the hands of the farmer.
Kabati kiki agin máa ṣí bí báyìí a bẹ̀ sí lọ a máa jáde láti bí wá ti jáde níbí a jáde níbí báyìí a kó sí níbí a tún jáde níbí ibi gan létí jáde kọ̀tẹ́ mọ́ kó a ti jáde níbí dẹ́ ètìtù á kúrò lébẹ̀ kó a ti débí gbogbo ètìtù á kúrò bí bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti jáde.
Matthew Egunjobi, as a rice miller, reveals some of the high points and benefits he gets from his amazing profession.
Torí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀rọ ilé tí mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀rọ tí mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ìyẹn ó ti dàgbà tá a ti gbètì ìrírí tí mo rí níbẹ̀ ó pọ̀ torí òwọ̀n ọba tí a san fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀ta ìmú yẹn mo fi tọ́mọ nílé ìwé.
Recall the farmers need the millers and vice versa, but moving on from there, they also need people to buy the rice that has been harvested and milled.
Àwọn lórí scale ọ̀ka wọn lè tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́bí ọgbọ̀dún yẹn gawa bí ilé la fi wọ́n kà ṣe gawa kan kà á dá sínú àpò ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́rùn gbọ̀ tó ojú tó là scale là ń lò scale yẹn kó á ti lórí 40 òun ní gawa. Kí ráìsì bá bàjẹ́ kìí ṣẹ̀rọ ó wà látorí oko ní bíbọ̀ látorí oko àti bíbọ̀ torí ẹni múrẹ́ yóò já èsì sóko odidi ijọ́ márùn kó máa rẹ́ róòrùn sá kó lù kó ti bàjẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n kẹ̀rọ bá débẹ̀ á ṣe wọ̀nba tó lè ṣe. Kí ráìsì bá ti gbẹ kìí sì gèbè ẹ̀rọ àbí pé ó ní dúdú kìí sì gèbè ẹ̀rọ látọwọ́ ẹni tó ní látoko nìyẹn kò lè bàjẹ́. Kọ́ bá wó kí ráìsì bá wó àdín àjọsí rẹ̀ wíwò yẹn á dínkù kó bá mọ̀ fẹ́ mọ́ náà àtó àjọsí rẹ̀ á mọ́.
Rice millers would definitely appreciate and embrace government help if only the government can give it.
láti kán bá yá wa lówó láti fi mẹ̀tẹ́ẹ̀nì rẹ̀.